Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we did mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. We did magnification also. Magnification is equal to height of image upon height of object. Another formula to calculate magnification is image distance upon object distance with minus sign, and this is fourth formula. When we combine second and third, we get h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. Today I will tell you how to do numericals. Now here is a numerical I have written. An object of height 5 cm is placed in front of concave mirror of focal length 20 cm at a distance of 30 cm. Find position, nature, magnification and height of image. How we will do it now? First of all, we will write the mirror which is concerned, and here it is concave mirror. Then write down what the physical quantities are given. Height is given 5 centimeter, and I told you that object is always kept above the principal axis, so we will take positive sign for height of image. Put plus here. Then is focal length. Focal length of concave mirror is negative. So minus 20 centimeter. Object distance from the mirror, it is 30 centimeter. Put minus sign because object is always kept on left hand side, so put minus sign. Now what is to be calculated? Height of image, it is unknown. Where the image is formed, that is position of image unknown, and magnification you have to calculate. Now apply the mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. Put the values. 1 upon V you have to calculate. Minus 1 by 30 is equal to minus 1 by 20. Now minus 1 by 30, when you will take to that side, it will become plus 1 by 30. Now LCM of 30 and 20 is 60. So divide 60 by 20, it is 3. So it is 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3. Plus 60 divided by 30 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 1 upon V is minus 1 by 60. Reciprocate it, it is minus 60. So position of image is formed 60 centimeter on left hand side from the pole of the mirror. So what is nature? Because it is formed on left hand side, so it is real and inverted. Real and inverted image. Now we will find out magnification. Magnification is h2 upon h1. Height we don't know. We will calculate height. We will calculate height first by the formula h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. h2 is unknown. h1 is 5. Minus sign of formula. Minus sign of v and minus sign minus 30 of u. Cancel this and it is minus 2. So h2 is equal to minus 2 into 5, minus 10 centimeter. Now height of the image is 10 centimeter, but this minus sign indicates that image is real and inverted. Magnification is h2 upon h1. magnification is minus 10 upon 5 and magnification will be minus 2. Magnification does not have any sign because it is a ratio. Thank you. It is a number. It does not have any unit because it is a ratio. Now another numerical. An object of height 10 cm is placed in front of a convex mirror of focal length 30 cm at a distance of 10 cm. Find position, nature, magnification and height of image. Again we will write down the whatever physical quantities are given. So it is a convex mirror. Mirror is convex mirror. Height of object is 10 cm. Focal length is plus 30 and object distance is minus 10 cm. We have to calculate height of image, magnification and position of image, that is V. We will apply mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. Again 1 upon V we have to calculate. U is given minus 10 and focal length of the mirror is plus 30 cm. Again we have to take minus 10 to that side. It will become plus 10. So 1 upon V, LCM of 30 and 10 is 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is again 1. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So it is 4 by 30. V is equal to, reciprocate it, 30 by 4, 15 by 2, it is 7.5 centimeter. And sign is plus sign. What does plus sign indicate? Nature of the image formed is virtual and erect. Now we will find out height of image. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V. Minus V is 7.5. This minus sign is of formula. And U is minus 30. U is minus 10. Cancel this. H2 is 7.5 into 10 upon 10. This 10 we will multiply this side. 10 and 10 is cancelled. So H2 is 7.5 centimeter. Now height of image is plus. It means it is virtual and erect. And look, it is smaller than 10 centimeter. And convex mirror always form smaller image. Now magnification is minus V upon U. It is minus 7.5 upon minus 10. Minus cancel. Magnification is 0.75. 0.75. And magnification is a number. It does not have any unit. Thank you.